Well, I gotta get drunk and I sure do dread it, cause I know just what I'm gonna do. Start spending my money, calling everybody honey, and wind up singing the blues. Spend my whole paycheck on some old wreck. Brother, I can name you a few. But I've gotta get drunk and I sure do dread it, cause I know just what I'm gonna do. Gotta get drunk, I can't stay sober, there's a lot of good people around. They wanna hear me holler, see me spend my dollars, and I wouldn't think of letting them down. A lot of good doctors, they tell me I better start slowing it down. But there's more old drunks than there are old doctors, so I guess I better have another round. Alright, pass it. Well, I gotta get drunk and I sure do dread it, cause I know just what I'm gonna do.
Oh, yeah, cut it out. Oh, yeah.
Usually good for like beer and potential seats.
Exactly.
Potential seats, they're right here. Breaking them out.
Sweet.
Sell Gilly.
Gilly.
You get a shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park. But meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything.
Got an old-fashioned shitter out here. But
a band is blowing Dixie, double fall time.
whoa. Yeah, you got it.
You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Step inside.
Okay, brother.
Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places.
Yeah, camera for
But the horns blowing that sound. Way on down south.
Yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Way on down south. Under
Yeah, I
the
can. Watch this.
Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords.
Dude, we haven't started yet, dude. We haven't started yet.
If that an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing, then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright.
So you got some skateboarding skills? I want to see them.
Fuck that, I've been drinking. You should have been here like a few hours ago.
I'd like a laugh too. It's all right.
Oh, I'm not gonna kill myself for a laugh.
Here they come, yo. Here they come. Here they come, yo. Here they come. Here they come.
This or that, 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 this or that.
Come on, who's the black sheep? What's the black sheep? Know not who I am or when I'm coming, so you sleep. Wasn't in my realm or wasn't in your sphere. Knew not who I was, but listen here. Dress D-R-E-S, yes, I guess I can start. If it's alright with you, I'll rip this head joint apart. Back middle to the front, don't front. Want a good time, want a good
You got me on cellular.
Ice Cube, baby. 99, baby.
Freaking me out, Jim.
All the time, baby. Show me something.
You can do it, put your back into it.
I can do it, put your ass into it.
You can do it, put your back into it.
I can do it, put
marathon. Fuck the cemetery that a nigga gets buried on. We be coming to the day we die. Nigga, ask the bartender if you think we lie. But if you think we high, nigga, think again. Cause when it's sink or swim, we got to think to win. And if I drink this in, everybody annoyed. Cause I ain't going for it. So pray to the Lord that I don't pull out. Cuss out and bust out. Go the nigga round. Make the trigger shout. You can try to smoke an ounce to this while I pronounce this shit. Baby, turn them chicks. Mama, move them hips. Baby, shake them cheeks. I got dick for days. You got ass for weeks.
Don't stop, get it.
That's real.
Don't stop, nigga, hit it.
I will, I'm gon' do it. Gon' do it. Gon' do it. Do it, do it.
You can do it, put your back into it.
Come on. I can do it, put your ass into it. Come on.
You can do it, put your back into it.
Come on. I can do it, put your ass into it.
Put your back into it.
Put your ass into it. Now all I wanna do is have fun with my loved ones. The thug ones, relatives, and my cousins. And I got them by the dozens. When they buzz on, quick to say, fuck your husband. This is for my niggas locked away. Extra love for the ones who ain't got no date. But when we get checkmate with Ice Cube the Great, soon as I get a word, we can rush the state. Fuck them license plates because life is great. It don't matter if you rich and your folks ain't straight. I'm still coming with that underground gangster shit. No matter how many niggas say we ain't the shit. Yeah.
Don't stop, get it.
That's real.
Don't stop, nigga, hit it.
I will, I'm gon' do it. Gon' do it.
Oh, fuck your headphone!
We got a time bomb. We got a time bomb. We got a time bomb. Nah, nah, nah. We got a warning light. We got a warning light. We pull the plug out and we nah, nah, nah. Time bomb. Time bomb. Time bomb. We got a time bomb. We got a time bomb. We got a red alert. We got a red alert. We cut the power in it.
Hi, this is Taylor, and this is a Low Life production.
I'm Jimmy Darts, and this is Todd Bushy, and you're watching 4 Dum Dum.
You're watching 4-1 Dum Dum.
And let us know.